tried the TirTir Cushion Foundation for the first time the other day. I finally got it here to Belize, and I get the hype. It's incredible. I got it off of Amazon. I surprisingly got the correct shade, and I have been loving it ever since. 2 pushes does the entire side of my face. Look at that coverage. 2 little pushes on the sponge. That's all it took. Look at that. Oh, love it. And it can keep going too, look. Unbelievable. 2 more pushes. Let's do the other side. If you are not on the TirTir, what foundation are you using? Because this stuff is amazing. Look at that. I'm blown away by the coverage. It lasts all day. Prime Day is starting tomorrow, and I'm definitely adding more of this to my cart. TirTir, y'all did that. You ate it down. So have you tried the TirTir? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup.